issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hamilton County in southwestern Ohio, southeastern Butler County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Claremont County in southwestern Ohio, southern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, until 8 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Concord Hills, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Mason, Lebanon, Norwood, Sharonville, Monroe, Blue Ash, Loveland, Reading, Montgomery, Madeira, Milford, Deer Park, Westchester, Marymount, Terrace Park, Morrow, Camp Dennison, High Point, and Remington. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 7 and 36. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 10 and 14, and between mile markers 22 and 29.